If I'm not fishing, I'm thinking about fishing. Got started probably 45, 50 years ago and never stopped. And I like to get out, watch the sunrise, come up over the set, and then you get the boat up on plane, you're running and you're making white water behind it. It's just like everything goes behind you. My name is Russell Coleman. I'm from Burlington, Ohio. Boats, I've always enjoyed rigging boats and tearing them apart, putting them together, remodel them. I remodeled this boat, and in the beginning I thought, just go buy a boat, be done with it. I thought about it, and you know, all the memories that I've had, fishing out of the boat, having friends out, family out, I just couldn't do it. Selling that boat and getting a new one would be like disowning a family member. And I said, hey, I'm just gonna repower it and keep on enjoying it. I've run two-stroke motors, that's what I had on before, and you had some adjustments that you made. You know, you pull it over, you choke it, and you hold the choke in until she runs up good. With the four-stroke, the new fuel injection, hit the key and that's it. It's just night and day from where I've been on the two-stroke. And with this repower, the biggest thing with me is that it opens up my world to traveling with the boat, knowing that, you know, I can take off and do a trip. I don't have to worry about breakdowns. I don't have to worry about motor failures. Dependability, reliability, and having that thrust, that really makes this travel fishing a dream. This is what I want to do. I want to travel to the Lake Michigan and to the Alabama lakes and Canada lakes, chase king salmon and coho. At this stage in life, it's time for me to do it or it won't get done, you know. Having the dependability and going from that old to new, it's like night and day. I would say if you have something in a boat that you really like and enjoy, don't be afraid to repower it.